Does sleeping on your back make you snore? Or is it just a myth? Hey guys, welcome back to the Bye Bye Snoring channel, where we provide you with tips and solutions to help you finally say bye-bye to snoring for good. In this video, I want to address a question that I recently got from one of my subscribers. That is, why do I snore when I sleep on my back? In order to answer that question, let's have a closer look at how snoring occurs. Snoring is caused by turbulence inside the airway during inspiration. This turbulence happens as a result of partial blockage of the throat area, either at the tip of the nasal cavity or the vocal cords. In most cases, restriction occurs during sleep because the throat muscles tend to relax when we doze off. The problem, however, is that snoring is not something that can be stopped at will. It is a physical abnormality like any other, and sometimes it is important to seek proper remedy for it. One remedy that is often recommended is side sleeping. Some argue that if you sleep on your back, you are more likely to snore than if you sleep on your side or your stomach. So do these claims have any medical backing, or are they just myths? Well, let's see what happens when you sleep on your back. Sleeping on your back is a boon for your neck and spine health because your back is not forced into any contortions. In addition, back sleeping protects your face from wrinkles and allows the mattress to do its job of supporting the spine. However, when it comes to snoring, sleeping on your back causes your tongue to be relaxed and fall back into your throat, blocking your airway. According to a study published in the New York Times, a majority of people who snore are positional snorers. That means they only need to change their sleeping positions to control the problem. However, this trick does not always work for everybody. And the reason is simple. There are other causes of snoring other than the partial blockage that occurs when you sleep on your back. For instance, as you age, your throat muscles tend to relax, and that may aggravate the snoring. Likewise, if you are obese and have a lot of fatty tissue around the neck, or if you drink alcohol before going to bed, then back sleeping may not be to blame for your snoring woes. In conclusion, yes, sleeping on your back may increase your chances of snoring. However, sometimes the culprit behind the rumbling sound may not be your sleeping position. You can snore even if you are a side sleeper or a stomach sleeper. The key is to find out what exactly is causing you to snore and how you can fix your specific case. So head over to byebyesnoring.com and download our free snoring test and find out right away. Do you have any questions? Be sure to leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and click the little belly icon to be notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate you supporting this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.